Hey guys, I don't know if y'all have ever used one of these, but it is an electric charcoal starter. I just plugged it in, just put it in on the charcoal, and it's already starting to produce smoke. Super easy to get your charcoal lit for your barbecues. So we'll check on it in just, man, this thing has been on for about 2 minutes and it's already smoking. What I really like about it is that I don't have to use any lighter fluid. We're using the HEB charcoal briquettes with real mesquite. I like that one. It gives it a nice woody flavor. Here we are 5 minutes in, guys. We've got some flames going right here. It takes about 10 minutes and then coals will be ready to use. We'll check in just a second. These are my dogs. They help me barbecue. All right, so we are 10 minutes in. What I usually do is I wait for the coals to get ashed over. I can see right by the wire there that they are. So we'll give it about 5 more minutes and then we'll dump them out and be ready to grill some burgers. Man, look at the sky. Sunset's real pretty today. Let's see. All right. So let's check on that charcoal. See, we got some nice flame going. I'm just waiting for them to ash over and then we'll pour them out and it'll be time to barbecue. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll pull the fire starter out of there, set it over to the side. It's just a big piece of iron and that's what'll start your charcoal. So then we'll just take that, pour it out, and we'll let those coals finish ashing over and they'll be ready to cook on. And then we'll go ahead and set the grill grates in place. Let them get hot so that we can clean them off with our grill brush. All right, guys, look at that. We've got almost 500 degrees in our barbecue pit. So now is a great time to go ahead and take your grill brush and brush off all of those grates, and that'll help to sanitize them and get them ready for cooking. Hey guys, Chef John here with Chef's Backyard. Check it out. Today we're gonna make some burgers. So we've got some patties that we've already got formed. I just wanted to show you real quick how to season them. You can season them with salt and pepper. Over season them a little bit because on the grill you're going to lose some of that. Okay, so salt, and then we'll do some pepper, a little fresh black pepper. Get a little good seasoning in there. You can add onion, you can add garlic, whatever you like, or you can choose my Chef's Backyard flavor formula, good on everything spice, and you can season up these burgers. Oh yeah, use a liberal amount, and then we're going to throw them on the grill. So here we've got the salt and pepper burgers, and here we've got the Chef's Backyard burgers. Let's go throw them on the grill. Make sure you clean off that grill, give it a good scrub, and now we're gonna lay our burgers down. These burgers here have the Chef's Backyard flavor formula, good on everything spice, and these are seasoned with salt and pepper. Which one would you like? So now that we've got the burgers on the grill, we're gonna let them cook for about 3 minutes. Then we're gonna turn them 90 degrees. Then we'll flip them, and then we'll let them cook for 3 minutes, and then we'll turn them for another 90 degrees. All right, guys, so it's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna pick them up and turn them 90 degrees. Pick them up and turn them 90 degrees. All right, guys, let's talk about indicators of doneness. You see this burger right here, and you see this one, how this one's looking glossy? This one's ready to go. We'll flip that guy over. We'll flip that guy over. We'll give this one a minute or two. We'll flip this guy over. Those burgers are at least medium rare on that side. These right here, they're still a little bit bloody. They're starting to get that sheen, but it's not quite as shiny as those other ones were. Once it gets shiny like that, that's when we're gonna flip it. That's when you know that you're ready to go. All right, you see this guy? It's already glossing over. That's what you're looking for. We're gonna give these guys a flip. All right, now we're gonna add some cheese onto these guys. See how it's pulling up there? Cheese. Put a little cheese on there. See how it's flaring up? Move it over to safety. Let the remaining heat melt that cheese, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna burn your burger. Let's move that guy back. Let's move this guy back. We'll move these right over the flame, right? Flame kiss. Look at how that cheese is melting right onto that burger. All right, so now we're gonna close the lid and let them finish soaking up that heat. So right now we're using our grill as an oven, right? We close that lid, but look at those burgers. That cheese is beautifully melted. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Don't you want that on a bun? So we'll go ahead and grab those patties up. Look at that. Oh, man. All right, so you can use that residual heat to grill your buns. Get your buns on the grill, get them toasty. All right, let's check that out. Oh, yeah, that's what you're looking for. A little golden brown in there. Heck, yeah. Oh, there you go. All right, let's build some burgers. All right, guys, let's build this burger. Paper plate, grilled bun, yellow mustard, ketchup, just a little bit. Let's get our burger, put that top bun on, and let's see how we did. Chef's Backyard Flavor Formula Burger Wings.